Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito isang timeless monetary reading for you. So, pwede kayong mag-resonate dito sa past, sa present, at sa future. And panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see your money. Sa pera muna tayo. Recent past energy ng mga Capricorn when it comes to money. 10 of Wands. Okay. So, in the recent past, kailangan yung magtrabaho para kumita kayo ng pera. And some of you, medyo pagod na kayo. But, yung iba naman, masaya naman kayo sa ginagawa nyo kahit nakakapagod. Maaring marami rin kayong tinake na responsibilities whether you like it or not. Pagdating sa finances, maaring marami kayong sinusuportahan na mahal sa buhay or pinagkakagastusan. So, let us see. Kumbaga maraming obligasyon. Mga Judith. Maraming Judith. Okay. Yung current energy naman ninyo, Capricorn, ay 8 of Cups. So, 8 of Cups is going to a new path. Meron kang iiwanan para meron kang simulan na bago. And also, pwede rin tong meron kang, you are going to walk away from a habit, no? Spending habit na alam mong hindi naman nakakatulong sa'yo. So, example, you are someone na pag meron kang gusto, kahit hindi mo naman talaga kailangan bibilhin mo, basta cute, basta maganda, na-influence ka ng ibang tao, you will buy it. So, yung iba sa inyo, current energy nyo, you are walking away from that because you feel like hindi siya in alignment sa mga goals mo ngayon na kung saan is makarecover from the responsibilities na meron ka. Yung iba sa inyo may mga utang, may mga kailangang bayaran, na nagkapatong-patong. So, it's time for you to be more responsible sa mga obligasyon nyo. So, sa near future is the Death card. So, this is a good reading or card for the near future kasi this is the card of transportation. Transformation. Ayan. Transformation. So, you are changing. Things are changing. Something is ending. So, maaring merong mga, I'm seeing this as yung mga responsibilities ninyo na nagpapabigat sa inyong finances. I think this is something that you are walking away from. This is changing. This is ending. Okay? Pwedeng mababawasan na yung mga responsibilities mo. Pwedeng malapit nang matapos yung loan mo. Pwedeng malapit nang matapos mag-aral yung kapatid mo, or yung anak mo, nakakatulong na sa'yo. So, it's like magkakaroon ng pagluwag, no, sa iyong mga binabayaran. So, transformative to para sa inyo. Pagdating sa career, recent past is the Six of Pentacles. So, this is balance in your career. Maari ring, pagdating sa trabaho sa career nyo, you are able to manage your responsibility sa sarili mo, sa family mo, at sa trabaho mo. And some of you, meron kayong tinulungan, no, in the recent past pagdating sa trabaho. Pwedeng katrabaho nyo, tinulungan nyo, pwedeng nagpahiram kayo ng pera, or pagdating sa mga responsibilities sa trabaho, ikaw yung parang nagtitrain sa kanya. Or vice versa, merong tumulong sa'yo sa trabaho, merong nagbibigay sa'yo ng advice, assistance, may nagme-mentor sa'yo. This is your current energy. You have the Four of Pentacles. Sa pagdating sa career nyo, may stability, no? I'm seeing you na magsistay kayo sa isang trabaho, career na nagbibigay sa inyo ng financial stability. So, itong nakita ko sa finances ninyo na you are walking away from, I think this is something na parang ugali mo, no? Or yung habit mo pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances, yun yung i-let go mo. But when it comes to your career, if your career is bringing you what you need, you're going to stay there. Okay? Magsistay ka dyan. And near future, the Star, this is healing. So, pagdating sa trabaho ninyo, maaring meron kayong mga achievement, no? Pwedeng meron kang reward na matatanggap dahil sa performance mo, sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. And some of you, if you are looking for a career or a job in the future na kung saan in alignment sa gusto mo, I see you getting that, no? Merong wish fulfillment or fulfillment about your dream career or your dream job. So, this is your advice. Ten of Swords. Iwasan ang overthinking, iwasan yung pakikinig sa sinasabi ng iba, lalo na kung ito ay negative, no? And hindi mo kailangang problemahin or pasanin ang problema ng buong mundo. So, mas maganda na mag-focus ka sa problema mo lang. You have the Three of Swords. So, this is also about feeling what you really feel. Kasi minsan, may mga pagkakataon na parang dinidismiss mo yung totoo mong nararamdaman. Maybe because you have a lot of responsibilities na tipong hindi mo na naasikaso yung sarili mo. Hindi mo na nabibigyan ng atensyon yung sarili mo. Kahit napagod ka na, you will still go for whatever work that you need to do kasi yun yung responsibility mo. But always remember to take care of yourself, especially your mental health, no? Kasi these are all swords, these are all mga thoughts, mga naiisip mo. So, it's time for you to take care of yourself. And iwasan mo na yung kung ano yung iisipin ng iba tungkol sa'yo. You have to save yourself pagdating sa finances. Pagdating sa career mo, it's only you who you can rely on. Lalo na kung ikaw yung tipo na inaasahan sa family. Ikaw yung dapat na mas maging matatag. Okay? So, let's see what else. Charm. Ayan. Meron kang charisma, no? Sa iyong sarili na kung saan people are drawn to you. So, you can use that to captivate your audience. Lalo na if you are working with other people or nasa social media ka and being open to expressing your thoughts. You also have security. Ayan. Merong financial security for you. Maaring ito yung goal mo talaga na nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na ma-achieve ninyo. And also connections, your network is your net worth. Increase your connections. So makakatulong na mas marami kang connections kasi yan yung mag-open up ng mga bagong opportunities sa'yo moving forward. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.